day, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So I'm going to take your interview. I have got one individual assignment on society and culture, and the topic is attention to mental health and well-being among youth of India. So I'm going to ask you some questions regarding it, and if you're not comfortable answering it, please say no.
Okay.
So what kind of mental or emotional stress have you experienced since joining the PDM program?
Mental stress would be like feeling overwhelming about everything, like the pressure of studies, extracurricular activities, and the seva which we are doing right now. So it feels like overwhelming very much.
So, what are the major sources of stress for you? I mean, academics or family, financial, or the deadlines or SIP related?
Everything as you said basically academics because it's a very tough competition here, placements because it's coming SIP season for it has started SIP season for us, and everything regarding placements and academics.
Okay, so how do competition and performance pressure or comparison with peers affect your mental well-being?
I don't think it affects me in a negative way. I think it affects in a positive way. Like if he or she is getting more accreditation or marks or something, it motivates me also to work hard and work myself up better than next time I can beat.
Okay. So, have you ever felt anxious, overwhelmed, or emotionally exhausted during the PGDM course?
I have felt anxious because in my journey I have never been in front of a crowd or speaking before it. So during the presentations I was very anxious and my hands were shaking and I'm like okay I have to present before so many people and teachers and it made me anxious.
So, what coping mechanism you use to release the stress?
Coping mechanism is before presenting in front of class, I present in front of my friends and I try to do myself okay, they are my peers, okay, it's okay. They will not judge me very harshly
Yeah.
and it will be okay.
Okay, so how do you usually, deal with the emotional pressure? I mean, the pressure you get from your family or friends, like when you have a deadline, how you. I mean,
Okay, dealing with pressure is somewhat like I usually deal with pressure spending time with my friends or trying to de stress and having fun and everything that help me relax. Not meditation or something is not something which help me exactly de stress.
okay. So, are you aware of any mental health support system provided by your institute?
I'm just aware that there comes a counselor twice a week to help us with mental stress
So,
and everything.
have you ever visited her?
No.
Okay. So, and your friends and your peers who approach the counselor or faculty members, like
Not
anyone?
someone I know of.
Okay. So, what role do peer group or batchmates play in helping you cope with stress?
I think they are the major factors in helping in re-stress because okay, we are not the only one stressing everyone in the same
Yeah.
mode. So okay, we situation also that.
Okay. So, what prevents a student from openly discussing mental health issues on campus?
I think the first will be the judgment of peers that okay, why are you overreacting over something like this? Because presenting was difficult for me, but were very easy for some people. So the fear of judgment, I guess, is the major factor.
Okay. So, do you think stigma or fear of judgment affects you? Help seeking behavior among
Yeah,
your
I
behavior
think
changing.
it affects me because even if I'm feeling anxious, I tend to go to another person who is also feeling anxious, not someone who is already confident about it.
Okay. So, are there any challenges related to lack of time or awareness or affordability in mental health services?
Yes, I guess lack of time plays a role because it's a very hectic day. You start the day with studies, then assignments, and other extra. So it gets really hard to think about our mental health and how to exactly cope up with it and the sources to cope up with.
Okay. So, do academic schedule or evaluation system leave enough space for mental well-being?
No, I don't think so. Not in the current environment.
So, who do you think is responsible for supporting mental health to students? I mean, to you, like the family or the student or the peers or faculty?
I think faculty, like one of our faculties is nice. They try to de-stress us, and even if in class we feel like we are not in the mood to study, he doesn't force us to study
Okay.
because he feels like studying should be done with a mind which has to study. Forcing it will not happen. So I think faculty plays a major role in that.
Okay. So, what role should business school play in promoting mental well-being among students?
I think they play a major role. For example, like our institute has started the Sukoon club activities like Zumba and yoga and musical nights. And I think that if institutes take part in this, it helps a lot.
Okay, so what role should society, employer, or policymaker play in addressing youth mental health issues?
I am not much aware of that because I have studied somewhat about this, and I think government has also taken measures for mental health, but I'm not much aware if there is really something that actually works.
So, thank you so much for your answer. Thank you so much for your time.
Right.